In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use enchanted books in Minecraft Sword. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can apply any enchantments from a book into any tools. Of course, I'm going to be talking specifically about a sword, but the same idea can be used to enchant pickaxes, axes, shovels, and so on. So, to use enchanted books, you need an anvil. Keep in mind that I'm also going to be doing this on creative, but you can absolutely do this on survival. I'm doing it on creative because it is going to require a lot of XP, so it is easier for me to show you how it's done in creative. But when you do it yourself, if you are in survival, remember that you need a lot of XP levels. So, to do this, right-click the anvil and then place your sword on the left. This can be an unenchanted sword or one that already has enchantments, it doesn't matter. Now grab the specific enchantment that you want to use, place it on the sword, and you will see the enchantment cost. You can also give the sword a custom name, so I'm gonna just name it something random like Cool Sword, and you can see it here, Cool Sword with Sweeping Edge 3. Now you can repeat this process with as many enchantments as you want. So as you can see, this one is going to cost 5 levels, it's going to keep the custom name. You can take it off again. Something else that you can do is mix enchantments. So for example, you can mix a book with knockback and a book with sharpness to make a single book that has both enchantments. Usually this can save you enchantment costs in the long run, so you can save a little bit of XP. As you can see, my sword is now fully enchanted, 4 enchantments at once. Keep in mind that some enchantments cannot be used with others. So in this example here, I have sharpness 5 on this sword, but if I try to apply Bane of Arthropods, you will see that it doesn't allow me to. This is because some enchantments are exclusive. So, for example, in a pickaxe, you cannot have Silk Touch and Fortune, and the sword can only have either Sharpness or Smite or Banner Arthropods. And now you are good to go. Remember that you need a lot of XP levels, so it is recommended to have a way to grind XP easily. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you enchant your sword, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make high quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.